here I'm going to look at 10.5 day 2, problem number 4, where we are adding two fractions together. You can see that it is multiple choice once again, so we'll come back and check for our answers. In number 4, again, as always, I need to see first if I can factor and simplify each individual fraction, and I cannot. Please note one common mistake would be that people would try to cancel out this x, and that would be an algebra no-no, okay? Because of this minus on the bottom, you are not allowed to cancel those x's. So I'm ready to find my LCD right away. Again, I take the first factor of the first fraction, x minus 2. That's the whole first denominator. Then I check the second one, x minus 8. It is not in my least common denominator yet, so I add it in. So my least common denominator will be x minus 2 times x minus 8. I now need to make each fraction have that LCD. The first one starts as just x minus 2 on the bottom, so in order to make it x minus 2 times x minus 8, I must multiply it by x minus 8. I'm allowed to do that as long as I do the same thing to the top. My second fraction starts as 3 over x minus 8. Again, the x minus 8 is accounted for, but it's missing the x minus 2. So I multiply by x minus 2 on both the top and the bottom. From there, I'm able to put them together as one fraction, with the denominator being x minus 2 times x minus 8, or x minus 8 times x minus 2. It doesn't matter the order of those. And now I simplify the top. Distribute the 6x to both pieces. I get 6x squared minus 48x. I always prefer addition to subtraction because I don't have to worry about distributing a negative. So I just distribute my 3x. I get plus 3x minus 6. So I don't need to put that one in parentheses like I would if it was subtraction. Last but not least, I combine like terms. I just have the 6x squared, but now I have minus 45x minus 6 over x minus 2 times x minus 8. That's my final answer. So I go back and check the worksheet, and I realize that letter C is in fact 6x squared minus 45x minus 6 over x minus 8 times x minus 2.